Happy birthday, tita. Happy 80th birthday. 80 ka na pero maganda ka pa din. Full of energy. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay happy. Thank you. Nung bata ko, inaalagaan mo ko, umattend ka sa mga school activities ko, and tinitreat mo kaming magpipinsan sa Green Hills. Hindi namin makakalimutan yon. Tita, we love you, and we are very happy that you're celebrating your 80th birthday. Cheers to 80 amazing years and more to come, tita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita Baby, and thank God, cause God have blessed you with another year, and God have blessed us also with another year with you, and thank you for all the years that you've been here for us, from Nanay to Dad, and to us, and for being a great grand aunt.
Hi. No. Hi, Tita Baby. Happy birthday. And first of all, I want to say thank you kasi even though when I grew up in Singapore and even when I went to Paris po, you never failed to send me long messages every month. Kahit hindi ako masyado nag-reply. I'm so sorry. I mean, I reply sometimes. I'm sure you remember naman, Tita. I reply sometimes, pero kasi hindi nga ako ganun ka-active sa Facebook. Pero thank you because it's so thoughtful. And whenever I read your messages, I always get reminded of how much, blessings I have and how much how grateful I should be. And you always remind me to be a kinder person. And thank you for that reminder. And I wish you good health, more blessings, a longer life, and visit us again soon in Singapore. Happy birthday, Tita!
Okay. Hello, Tita.
Hello, Tita.
Again, happy birthday again, Tita. Again, sorry we cannot make it to be there. But I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo lahat dyan sa swimming. And me and Mommy, all of us here, we send something for you there. Hopefully, magustuhan mo. And of course, please always take care of yourself. Always mind your health, right? And don't worry too much. Don't stress too much.
Don't think too much.
Don't think too much. I think, wala nam- Okay. Don't what?
Because actually, I remember one thing that Father Orban said: the more you worry, the more you hurry.
Yes. Kanta yun eh. Right. Then, but anyway, Tita Baby, I mean, with your age right now, and of course, we're very thankful to God that you reached that age and 80th, and of course, we pray that you have more birthday to come.
Celebrations.
What we want to say is, yung age nyo, dapat talagang ang focus nyo na is sa health nyo, sa sarili nyo, right? So, don't mind other things, right? Hindi na makakatulong yun. Yeah, okay. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Ingat
Tita.
kayo lagi.
Yeah.
Happy birthday,
And Tita, sorry, Guhan is not here because he's visiting his grand aunt as well. So, he sends his regards to you and wishes happiest birthday, enjoy, and God bless you.
Happy
See you
birthday,
soon.
Tita.
Happy birthday!
One more thing.
Yeah, peace of mind, Tita, please. Just
Yeah, gently.
Magtataka, Tita Baby,
Ah,
ba?
Yeah.
Kayo na magpaliwanag.
Yeah, Tita, always have time for yourself, relax, rest, huwag masyadong mag-akyat baba because naman medyo fragile na yung katawan natin. And peace of mind, don't think of anything else, just think of yourself, make sure that you eat
Correct.
correctly, you have plenty of water,
And huwag masyadong maalat.
yeah, and at the same time, sleep.
Parang nanay lang ah.
Sleep as possible as early as 10 and then woke up the normal one. I mean, like,
8
must
hours
have a
sleep.
breakfast and the lunch and the dinner.
Okay. Our sleep,
Hindi ko naman sabi.
Mapapagalitan pa ako. Si Jansley wala pa kasi ngayon, wala pa ngayon. Nasa date. Sikreto lang natin.
Nasa date. Bukas magpapadala siya. Tatawag siya.
Habol na lang. Magsosolo na lang siya. Huwag mo sabihin kami may sabing may date siya. Okay. Again, happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
and
tita.
enjoy kayo
Take
lahat
care.
dyan. Yeah, ingat
Love
kayo.
you.
Love you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita! Hindi po ako nakasama with everyone else for the video greeting because I just reached home from work. But I just wanted to take a few minutes to honor and celebrate you on this very special day of yours. Thank you po for being my second lola. Thank you for raising me up. Honestly, everyone sa looban, all the nanays, all the lolas, all the lolos, have shaped each and every one of us growing up. Who we are is because of you. Everyone has played such a big part in becoming who we are as a person. It really does take a whole community to raise a child. But everyone knows kung saan mahahanap si Jansley kapag wala sa bahay. And that is your home. Of course, it is because si Anton ng kabatch ko and si Anton ng very close ko, that's one thing. But it is also because you have always ensured that I have a space in your house. You always made sure that your doors are open for me. You always made sure that your home feels like my home. And I can never thank you enough for that. Most of my fondest memories as a child is within the four corners of your house. So thank you for always thinking of me. Thank you for always thinking of us. Honestly, your Facebook messages, Tita, like, it really, really means a lot. And even though I don't get to reply, I do appreciate it. It feels very comforting and warm knowing that someone is praying and thinking of me back home. So may this day stay as special as you are, stay as beautiful as you are. Ang wish ko, and I'm sure everyone else, ang wish lang naman po namin is your happiness. Your happiness is our happiness, Tita. So, have fun, stay pretty, stay mabango, and we'll see you soon.
Hi, Tita Baby. Happy birthday. We hope that you have a wonderful birthday filled with happiness, laughter, good food, and the people around you. May God still continue to give you long life, a healthy one, and peace, and more birthdays to come.
Thank you for always being supportive, caring, and thoughtful to our family.
We miss you. We
Love you.
Babes, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Ano pa sana maba pa ang buhay mo. Malakas pa naman tayo, di ba? Okay naman ang ano mo, ang kalagayan mo. Alam ko naman, malakas ka naman. No? Bless ka ni Lord. Sa 80 years mo, mahabang buhay na, di ba? Mahabang blessing kay Lord. Kaya, enjoy lang.
Baby, happy birthday. Lagi mo pag-ingatan ng sarili mo. Lagi mo pag-ingatan ng sarili mo at sana magkaroon palagi ng magandang kalusugan. Sana matagal pa tayo magsama-sama. Para magkaroon tayo ng mga good memories na we will cherish. Happy birthday again at ingat lagi.
Hello everyone! Happiest 80th birthday sis. Wish you all the best in the remaining years of your life. Wish you good health and more happy moments to come. Just stay happy always. And kain na!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday to you. Feeling.